Well, Baywatch North, that's it, all four of them. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Sean Tucker. Here's Brian. Hello, buddy.
Hey, Rob. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brian Norris, the operations coordinator and narrator for Team Oracle, featuring the man who for more than the last 20 years has been considered to be the top solo aerobatic performer in North America today. Returning for his 10th consecutive appearance over the skies of Jones Beach. Put your hands together for none other than Mr. Sean D. Tucker. As you watch Sean fly this morning, keep in mind that this is his idea of a nice, easy, early morning warm-up flight. Because of the weather that we've had over the last several days, Sean has not been able to practice as much as he normally likes, which is 3 times a day. So this morning, after the pilot briefing, we all went out to the Republic Airport. Sean has already been up in this aircraft once this morning for 30 minutes to get himself ready for this afternoon's performance. And this is what we call a teaser performance. He is going to give you a small preview of what you're going to see when he returns back on stage this afternoon at approximately 2:15. Sean feels that that level of practice, that level of commitment is what is necessary for him to give you the best performance possible. This is our second Airshow performance of the 2013 Airshow season. Our home base is in Salinas, California, and since we left our home base, we will be flying continually all throughout the summer, finally ending our Airshow season in Fort Worth, Texas, towards the end of October. And in that time, this aircraft will have traveled more than 25,000 miles from Airshow to Airshow, also making up Sean's numerous training, media, and performance flights. We actually travel across the country with 3 aircraft. We have this, the Oracle Challenger 3. We also have an aircraft known as the Oracle Extra 300, which is a 2-seat aerobatic airplane which is used extensively for VIP and media rides. And then we also have a Seneca 3 twin-engine support aircraft which we use to haul all of our support equipment, tools, spare parts, luggage, and then once on site for the weekend, that aircraft is used for the many air-to-air media flights that we conduct. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as Sean makes his way down to Airshow right, we're going to go live to the cockpit and see what he has to say this morning. Sean B., are you with us?
Yeah, I'm driving in the neighborhood today, Brian. Yeah, baby. I say, welcome to the best day. Oh, yeah, let's get it frisky here. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, now as Sean dives back down to Airshow Center, he is going to show you a maneuver which was first seen in 1972 when it was used by our friend Mr. Charlie Hillard to win for the United States the World Aerobatic Championship Trophy. It's called the torque roll, and right now, 1,600 feet above the water, Sean is going to shift this aircraft into reverse and begin flying tail first, reaching negative airspeeds in excess of 90 miles an hour. And only once he passes through his critical altitude will Sean pull back on that throttle to let the nose fall back down through the horizon. I was starting to tell you about our Airshow season. By the time we return home to Salinas, California in November, In addition to all the miles that these aircraft will have traveled, this aircraft in particular will have accumulated more than 320 total hours of flying time. And then, Sean, just this season alone will have been seen by approximately 4 to 5 million air show fans. Once we return home, this aircraft will then be completely dismantled and totally rebuilt to get itself ready for the 2014 air show season. We'd like to thank the folks at Jones Beach for inviting us back for the 10th consecutive year. We have been here performing each and every year that this event has happened. And also, as our guests make their way down to the Team Oracle Chalet, make sure you introduce yourselves to Christina, to Lindy, to Kate, and the newest member of Team Oracle, Mr. Nick Thomas. If you need anything at all, you go ask them. I guarantee you they're going to take very, very good care of you. Right now, Sean's completing the very small inside loop, which we call the alley-oop. Diving his way back down to air show left, converting that altitude back into airspeed, approximately 30 feet above the water. Sean is going to tumble this aircraft skyward, stop the rotation, and then make his way back down, and very soon set up for his low altitude, low speed photo pass. Right now, the wings are going to come momentarily level, however, inverted as Sean pushes skyward to begin the giant Jimmy Doolittle outside loop. Negative G's trying to throw Sean out of the cockpit, virtually weightless at the top, and once again the negative G's increasing to a maximum at the very bottom of this maneuver. Approximately 5 negative G's and in fact trying to throw Sean out of the cockpit of the Oracle Challenger 3. This aircraft was custom built specifically for Sean by our team over a period of 16 months. It weighs in at only 1,200 pounds. However, it is powered by almost 400 horsepower, making it without question the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in existence today. Notice now, Sean is performing the perfectly flat and descending level turn. Maintaining that perfect turn while at no time letting those wings bank. And now continuing that turn all the way around the corner, I recommend you get your cameras ready, because Sean is going to bring this aircraft back from left to right at an altitude of approximately 20 feet and an airspeed of less than 50 miles an hour. Again, live to the cockpit. Sean D, you're on.
Okay, this is my wave to you guys, to Jones Beach, for coming out. I salute you folks. Remember, Memorial Day, honoring our men and women in the military. One more time, 3 best words in English language. You got it right. It's God bless America. Okay, the guy in the yellow hat, give me a wave. Yeah, baby. The little girl in the green dress, give me a wave. Yeah, baby. All right. Now, I'm going to finish off with the area, because I think it's a good game to give. So, this is 5 salutes to you guys. Oh, yeah. Have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. And we're having a blast flying for you today. You guys take care.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of Sean D. Tucker and the one-of-a-kind aircraft known as the Oracle Challenger 3? Right now, using only 70% of his available horsepower to stand that aircraft on its tail and bring it to a hover in front of you, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brian Norris, and like I said, that is just a nice, easy, early morning warm-up flight for Sean D. Tucker. He is going to be back at 2:15 this afternoon to give you his full routine, which includes even more than what you've just seen. So as our guests make their way to the Team Oracle Chalet, and everybody out on the beach. We look forward to having you and giving you a great show this afternoon. And before I leave, I'd like to introduce you to your Master of Ceremonies, recognized as being the finest announcer in the entire air show business and the holder of many of the top awards that we can give in our industry. Mike